Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So on today's videos, it starts here at Vanna Hotel, guys. This is the one and popular hotel in Migori County, guys. Let me show you. I normally come here for the several time. This Vanna Hotel, guys. If you came to Africa, especially in Kenya, just book this hotel, guys. Well, accommodation and food are available, guys, and it's well clean, guys. I'm telling you, on the comment section you can add and give the view, but I'm heading on the other side so to have my food, and then as we enjoy together, guys, leave us with comment. I recommend in Migori County to come in Vanna, guys. All my videos start here with my family, eat the food, enjoy, Wow. On the other side, there's rooms, and it's a purely clean rooms. There's a day I took one of my friends to other side, and all the way from South Africa, visit me at my home, and I took her inside there. And if you're watching my videos every day, you can click there, you watch, you will see that house inside how it is. And also, guys, I'm heading this way, so I'm not alone, guys. So we're just out for the vacation with Felicitas, so she wanna introduce herself. Wow, nice flowers, guys, you see right here. And also it has good parking, guys. Point, you see other side to other side. Wow, let's go. Time here is to come, guys. The day is today. And the other side is the main gate, so heading this way, you feel like you are in Europe. Wow. So let's go this way. You see the parking point, very nice, guys. Wow. Make sure you give a video a like, subscribe to my channel for the first time, and I really appreciate it, guys. Oh, it's raining time. Wow, you see the parking point, well organized, super clean. Okay, wow. Okay, guys, let's see her. And also on the other side we have the swimming pool. I know, guys, you're watching my videos day by day. Okay, shows other side right there. So let me check my bike, and then I think right now shows in good condition, but after a few minutes it's gonna raining, guys. That's the reason why I wear the jackets. Also, when you come with your kids, they wanna enjoying here. Wow, that's my bike right here, man. Well organized. And guys, I want to say thank you so much, guys. Without you, I couldn't have my own bike, but it's by God's grace. It helped me to maneuver around. Imagine, all the way from my home up to Migori, So that's why we have the best hotel and restaurant. It's a combination. You want to eat the food, you sleep here after some days, and then you go. Wow, I think even here it's better. You sit, you relax, you enjoy. You see this place? See? Alright. Hello, baby, on the control. Okay, like that. I wanna do like this, my God. Okay. I know how, to lace up my legs and then like that. Guys, it's raining, so let me check her on the other side. These guavas here, organic fruits that we have. Okay, guys, it's raining time, I'm telling you. It's even on my jacket. Wow, guys, I hope the music didn't give me a copyright, guys. Bora, baby. Poa. Okay, this is a swimming pool right here, guys. Wow. See? Wow. Okay, guys. You know, I want to walk careful. Sometimes you find the tiles are very slippery. You know, smooth. Okay. Let's go and check her. Shaman. Okay. Yeah. I think the best time to bring my family. So right now you are at home during the weekend. I wanna bring them here. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
You good?
I'm good.
Yeah, guys. I hope maybe the music didn't give me the copyright. You choose this place. Why? Because there's music. Okay. Introduce yourself as we go.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to Hello YouTube channel. My name is Felista. Yes.
Okay, guys, subscribe to her channel on YouTube, Felista. Check her out. So this is a swimming pool. You know, prefer it. What did you prefer? Tsukule ni unakula wetu. Chips. This is the menu. Okay, guys. And when I'm this side here, I see how the swimming pool looks like. Oh. Alright, guys, we change from other side because it seems to have some music a little bit, so we wanna come here. Okay, washing hands right here. Oh my god, oh my god, right here. Okay, so I'm waiting for listers. Yeah, we shift from other side. Hey, are you tired? Yeah, you wanna walk quick and fast. Yeah, guys. So we shift, making the best place you can sit here because you avoid the music. Guys, we're still waiting the food right here. Yeah. It's drink? Okay. Like today you have like few dollars, we drink, we go. Yeah. Like it's story time. Story time as we drink. Let's test on the control. Wow, guys, I'm scared the copyright. That's the reason why I ran from other side to this side here. Okay, guys, our drink is coming from other side. I'm totally hungry, God. Okay. Now get my tumbo ni shingapi? Uliza. Okay, guys, the drink here. Uliza. Mango juice. Hey. If you're a fan of mango juice, comment. First thing you shake, or what do you think? Like other way they say, do you shake after use?
No, you use before. You shake before you use.
Before you use, you shake.
Yeah.
And then after use, you close it. Put for me. And on them get them. Okay. Video if you like you get it, you wanna order. Oh, that's juice. It's Delmont. Okay, guys, I think one of this day before this month ended, I wanna bring my family here again. Okay, put from me first. Okay, guys. Okay, that's enough, you know, for me. This some straw guys here. Okay guys, God bless our something dining table, you know. We drink in good way, we enjoy, you know. Yeah. Oh, chuguru. Yeah.
No, but when he made it food,
Eh, the food is ready. Whoa. Pilau, yeah, inaitwa chips masala. Napenda chips wewe. Leo kuna mimi niko sana. Come I show you. Guys, me I'm not a fan of French fry. I'm just okay. You wash your hand here.
French fries?
Yeah, it's French fry. You know, every day is a learning lesson. You put this? Yeah. Right.
No, my hand is dirty. You know, I will.
Yours? Yeah. Yeah. These are soap here. Hey. How do you feel? One day when you become a superstar, just enjoy. As it goes. Okay guys, this French fry right here. Can you keep on off camera? Wow, wow, man. Whoa. Yeah, but enjoy. You enjoy. Yeah, I'm just okay, guys. To be honest, yeah, I'm okay. I have my cold drink here. Please, guys, show us some love. Subscribe to Felistas. Oh, the food is amazing, man. How it tastes? I'm for that
It is too yummy. One day we'll cook this on the video.
Oh.
Yeah.
You learn how people
I know how to cook.
Okay. Yeah, guys. To be honest, she was perfect in terms of cooking, you know. Even there's a day they visited me at home, my visitor and also Felistas. They're making videos, you know. I saw on the comment section they show how visitor to cook ugali on fire, guys, on fire. Me as a hello baby, let me enjoy my drink. Yeah, we want to thank God, you know. By God's grace we managed to come here, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, you eat. Oh guys, so more amazing videos coming from here, and right now we are in Migori, and then I'll show you the vlogging travel, you know. Right guys, all right, and then I'll take you to the ID office. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, after this guys we shall meet on ID office, you know. They want to process an identity card.
Yes.
You know, for me I have identity card, but for her no. So we just do that process. So I'll take her to there, guys. Alright guys, right now we finish eating the food. Oh, I don't want to forget my phone. This is the key. It's a French fry. Right now you're full?
Yeah.
Just okay?
Yeah.
So how can you tell my subscriber who watching the videos for the first time?
They can subscribe to our channel. Yeah. Comment.
Success.
Yeah.
Also you have the till number. Oh, okay. Aye. Okay guys, may watch my bike right there. If you have the kids, they wanna enjoy right there. See guys. Okay, think I wanna wash my hand and then we go back home. We go back to the village. Guys. That's your son, Hello Baby official. You know, I'm outside chasing my dream every day, guys. And remember, my mom's dream house, it wanna come anytime, guys, because remaining with 1.5 months, start building. Oh, you want to wash your hand? Excuse. Hey, Felicitas to the world. Yes. Let me open it for you. That one you reduce, like chagara. Chuguru. Hey guys, we think it's the best time to go back to the village.
Yes.
Wow, I love this, how tables have been organized, you know. You can charge your phone here. If you came with your laptop, you wanna charge here. Drinking cold drink, eating food, you know. They have some category of food. They have fish, meat, you know, chicken, pork. I don't think where they have pork.
Yeah.
They have pork.
Yeah.
Okay, pork.
One day I will test the pork.
One day?
I will test.
Oh, Mari. Okay, guys. For me, since I was born, I've never tasted the pork. You one day taste the pork, and then you give me the result. Okay, guys. Before this month ended, I wanna bring my family here and enjoying, you know. So you know what to decide. Yeah, like today. Imagine this food that you see here, juice. It goes to $7. $10. Let me see. $10 is a lot of money. Let me see 7 times 125. Calculator. 7 times 125. That's 7 times 125. That's around $80. Let's say $9 times 125. Yeah. Let me say 8.5 times 125 gets around the amount that we eat it here. You know, if you have, guys, let me tell you, if you have $100 when you come to our village here, man, you will eat, enjoy, like some couple of days, and then boom, you're empty. Okay, guys, for us, we are leaving this place, so we are going back, and then I think we are going home, and then I'll take you to Mabera.
Yeah.
You process your identity card to have an ID.
Yeah.
And then maybe next time you wanna start processing your passport, you know. But yeah, guys, it's good to have the document, because traveling East Africa, you wanna travel with an ID or migration passport. But other country, it need passport, visa, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, you know. Wow. Guys, when I finish to build my mom's house, my target is to process my document, and then one day, guys, I'll come to Jamaica. You know, before I died, I throw that energy. You know, one day I'll come to Jamaica, guys. No matter what, I'll come to Jamaica. I'm telling you. But I'm throwing that energy you too.
Yeah.
Okay, dream are valid, guys. Yeah, we can't wait to come to Jamaica, guys. You know, Africa is our motherland. You know, Mama Africa. We call Mama Africa motherland. All right, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here in Vanna Hotel, guys. Right there. Alright, guys, I'm just over here, so I'm within my bed right now here, and technically I'm just with my bike waiting for Elisa to come, you know. So we're gonna take you to the market. So today's a market day. At the same time, she done registration of the identity card, guys. So for me, guys, I have those documents. So I'm keep waiting her, and then I'm gonna take you to the market. So this is my bike here. It helped me to maneuver around. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So think I'm supposed to lock my bike. Okay, guys. I lock for the privacy. Keep watching these videos to the end. Subscribe, comment, share, and guys, show us some love. So I left my bike on the other side. So I think the market is here, and I'm gonna take you there after a few minutes. The stagnant water here, it's crazy, man. And also remember, guys, where I'm standing right now, it's government properties going up to that way. So I'm waiting her to finish all process for identity card, so to be registered, and then have all documents, and then we go this way. Maybe I'll show you a little bit how the market looks like. Mrani view anguke. Okay. You almost fall down the bike, man. So that's how the market looks like. And I don't want to go there alone, but I need you guys to experience here and there. If I could get more jackets like this one here, I'm gonna buy more and more, guys, with different colors. But I love the blue one, guys. Let me show you a little bit how the market looks like. Okay. Right now it's around let me check the time. It's around 11:37. 12 o'clock time. That's how the market looks like. And wow. You wanna get more vibe here. Mora, when you kwa mkubwa hivyo? Amahoro Johnny Howard.
Agichisiku.
Amahoro.
Mora wasira.
Mimi niko tunakutana na Johnny Ono mabera pale.
Mnakutana naye? Yaani siku mingi.
Hapo unaenda?
Hapa nataka niingie kwa jamaa nataka kudaisha kona.
Hujashika ID.
ID nilishashika.
Oh,
ID ninayo. Vipi?
Fresh.
Naendeleaje?
Mimi niko poa nazunguka huko tu.
Sisi unakaa wapi?
Si niko Nyabo.
Mlema wangu toka kwa mama mnishingi Nyabo.
Pale tu Nyabo.
Ni siku mingi. Wewe mtu ambaye umeona umesoma na wezi msahau.
I find one of my friend guys. We studied in primary school right here. Okay. Mimi niko bana na haso tu maisha.
Niko haso. Hiyo ni poa.
People are buying clothes here and there. Hi Amora. Say hello to my people.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so tutakutana. Haya. Well guys, but right now people are coming and bring clothes from border town, Migori, from different places and put down. Okay. Just working here, guys. That's how the market looks like. And on the other side, we have a louder music, full of clothes. See? Look even this side here, full of clothes. Wow. We have louder music, but that's rumba. That's rumba, man. That's like news. Okay. Sorry guys for that music. But I prefer hot rumbas. Okay. See? Going up to that way. Okay. Wow. That's how the market looks like. Okay guys, I supposed to brought Felicitas here for the first time, and then we experience, maybe we taste street food, and then we go home. Okay. See guys how it looks like. Dually market. Okay. selling of plastic right here. Wow. Okay. I'm keep checking the time, how it's roaring, and then we finish the video. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, let's move. Okay, guys. And guys, don't mind, I'll show you. Right now I'm in Mabera Market. You see right here. Check it. When you go that way, you go to Border Town. When you go this way, we're going to Migori.
Pamoja na protectors za simu za kila aina. Pia wanapeana simu za lipa mdogo mdogo, yani simu za mkopo kama vile.
Wow. Welding all done here. Then here, guys, you see, that's welding. More nice, very perfect. I think, guys, for me, I take you short trip going around, and then I'll take you up to that way to see my bike. Wow. Okay. Wow. Mechanics, you know. Whoa. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Whoa. I see the saloon car, matatu car, you know. Wow. Whew. And guys, you can't imagine, I just come from other side, going round, and then right now I'm heading this way. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's go. This Rory, it speaks maize from Border Town heading to Nairobi. Just believe on that. For me, guys, at least I experience the market on the other side. So right now I'm just waiting for Listas, and then I give her a short trip to the market, and then we go. Wow. Okay, guys, let's go. This is the tarmac road, guys, which connect the border of Kenya, Tanzania, and also Uganda, guys. East Africa, you know. Wow, just like circular form, it rotates, you know. And this road have been constructed by the colony, you know. You know, it have been constructed by the colony, you know. This tarmac road that you see here. Okay. They are making nice chairs. Vipi, njoo useme hello. Yaani umepotelea wapi? Hiyo ni tipa iko hapo. At the same time, guys, they are making nice chairs here on sale right here. Vipi bana? Nauza viti? What?
Guys, this is Hello Baby, and this is official Slimy Boy. This is my hometown.
Okay.
Mabera base. Welcome home, guys.
Yeah, they are making nice chairs. Tamanga baka tu stubure after.
Awani wanini wajaluo.
Yeah,
Jaje bro.
Fresh.
Job. I'm at work, guys.
Yes, I see you
to pay these boys something. They were pushing my lorry.
Yeah, nimeenda hivi. Ndio ili naenda huko. Okay.
So I want to give them at least something small for breakfast.
Okay.
Then where are you heading to go?
Mimi naenda hapa viko vipande. Alafu nichomoke.
Sasa si ni soda wala afu nikushtue. Mambo? Salimia, say hello to that lady.
Let's go together.
Okay, let's go.
Hizi vitu zinatengenezwa hapa. Okay. Mungu moja hizi vitu ni classic.
Oh, sasa sijapata hii ndio natafuta. Natafuta. Okay, you know, I'm supposed
hizi vitu kama how?
Sasa tutafute change basi. Ukate so. Haya, unipatie so hii.
You say hello.
Hi.
You good?
I'm good. What about you?
Me, I'm also good.
Yeah.
We're chopping meat.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a hotel?
Yes, and bar.
Oh, that's a club, guys. It's a jiko. Hey.
You cutting nyama. This is
Cutting
meat.
the nyama ring here.
Meat.
I want to cook now.
Wow. This is a smaller.
The small hotel.
Hotel.
It's a hotel combined together with a restaurant. There is a restaurant.
Ama ino nasikia inaitwa
Chini ya mnazi.
chini ya mnazi.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, guys. Man, I love these chairs here.
It's popo kwaje?
That one there.
Oh. Making nice chairs here. By the way, tunakaa hapa. Kuja tulize. Yes. Ona mimi mwingi mama, ni kazi tu.
Guys, we want to ask the price and then you see. Hey, ban.
By the way, hizi vitu zinakaa smart. Oya bro. Kuja kuna mteja hapa.
Na wameandika hakuna kukaa.
Do not sit here. You know guys, in Africa when they sell something like this, they must put that notice.
Yes. Bana, hizi vitu ziko classic. Hii bachera kama mimi. Ngoja tuulize bei bana, kuuliza ni bure. If you are drinking guys and then you put your cold drink on glass. Ooh.
So nice by the way.
Rafiki yangu, sikuuliza ni bure.
Yaje mimi? Popo.
Kila kitu kina.
Utangaze bei basi.
Tangaza bei, jungeka hata bei hapa.
Sasa bora mna record.
Sisi tuko job.
Hii ni kazi yake.
Si kitu mbaya.
YouTube, wewe unaelewa. Sasa hii. Hello?
Hivi. 40,000.
Sana mitange hivi.
Inakuwa na spring.
So ni comfort tumeweka chini. Tukaweka ni mattress ya
Wanataka kuuza gari yake.
Guys, this one here goes to $400. Imagine. These chairs. Back up. Sindio? Simeenda hivi. Hey. But at the precaution, do not sit.
So how much is the seat?
This one here is $400.
$400.
Yes.
That's 40,000.
40,000. Na hizi?
The same price with this one, ama? The same price.
Akia Mungu ni unyama mwingi.
Kitu ni mbaya hii. Unaona hii kala hii?
Gani?
Do not sit. I wanted to sit but I cannot sit.
Unajua ukikaa sana ina fade. Hii haitaki uwe na watoto.
Yeah, but tunakaa normal.
Nice step.
Alafu zinakaa ziko separate.
Guys, I finished to build my mom's dream house. I'll surprise her one day with these chairs here. Nice one, I love it. To promote our brother. Wow. Yeah, this is another stock here. Hii ni kitambaa. Ni kama hii. Hii ni waterproof.
Wow.
Oh my God. Ban.
hiyo material inaitwa tu.
Inaita?
Unaweza kaa tu.
Guys, if something is new, let's sit us. Hii sasa ndio yenyewe. Hii kitambaa ni hii.
Ni hizo tu zenye ziko hapo hivi. Material moja tu.
Hii inakaa comfortable.
Guys, I swear in God, when I finished to build my mom's house,
You wanna buy her this?
yes,
bro?
this
Wow,
one,
it's
this
amazing.
one, $400, man. One day.
Sasa hii.
Yeah.
Na hii zinatoka 65.
Mbona?
Naona hizi ziko na pilo zake.
Mbona? Ama ni sababu ya nini? Lakini mimi hizi bana. Hii lazima ninulie mama. Wewe ngoja nimalize kujenga. Juu hapo ta transport hakuni kata ushuru sijui nini.
I'm pleased by that.
I hope mnaeka mbao karibu karibu.
Umeweka?
Mbao karibu karibu.
Hatuweki mbao.
Amwe?
Karibu aje.
Yaani mkipigilia zinakuwa.
Uko karibu.
Wewe bana, ngoja nimalize kujenga. Tuseme next year nitanunua hizi viti. Ni viti. Lakini unachunga bana, naona vitu ambazo zimeanza.
Hapo kwa mlango ndio.
Okay guys, we shall meet on the next videos. Guys, I was coming from other side and right now I think Felicitas have already finished up. So I want to take you to the market on the other side. May just experience here and there. Say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Felicitas. Yes.
Have you they have already finished or not yet?
No,
So don't show people your documents. So this is a waiting card. Yes, you want to have ID. And then we done processing of passport, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, I don't want to left maybe each and everyone behind. So we have the ID. We done process of the passport, you know. If you want to start making money one day, you're traveling a little bit,
Yeah.
you know, going East Africa, coming back, coming back, right?
Yeah.
Should I take you this way?
Yes.
Or what do you think?
Yeah.
Let's go. We have already experienced. We left the bike here.
Stay big.
Yeah?
I'm not picking this time.
Okay. You want me to go with the bike?
Yes.
Alright, just a minute. Guys, like for me, I'm making exercise, you know, and then Felicitas prefer to walk with a motorbike, which is a good thing. When we walk, it's one, and then one for all go home. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, the big issue that brought us here is to done the process of
Taking ID.
taking identity card, guys, you know. But for me, I have an ID. So Felicitas, she was complaining, oh, no ID. And then today decided, oh, you know what, I'm gonna take you there. So guys, enjoy this vlog. So just going this way with the bike. Okay. Tractor, guys. Alright guys, we're heading this way. So Felicitas, hold the camera. Okay, you can hold. And then we talk with people.
Like this?
I don't have a camera. Guys, you know, just over here with Felicitas, you know, heading that way. Say hello. We are in the market, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how the market looks like. You know. This is the market. See how the market looks like? Super amazing, alright? Na watu wote wanasema
Uko na simu gani au gani, wala iwe ni touch screen. Karibia kwa wanapeana simu za lipo mdogo mdogo, yani simu za mkopo kama vile Samsung S24.
Guys, now we are heading home. Like that way. Okay. That's Kenya right there. How do you see the market?
It is so beautiful.
So?
Beautiful, and it is a rent.
Okay. We're heading home, guys. Right now. And everything's good, cool, man. You can see the sun, how it's like today. It's a kind of hot, you know. But yesterday it's gloomy, alright? Yeah. So we're heading straight, guys. Hey, salon car. That's one day could be my dream car, I'm telling you. So let's go. Everything have been moving in perfect way. You know, I see traffic people, right? Oh my god. That's crazy. You know, I see traffic people right here. Wow, let's move. They cut tax here. Wow. Yeah. Guys, we fully outside and it's a hot day. Subscribe to our channel, you know. Leave the sweet comment, guys, on the comment section below. Let's know what you think about on today's videos. Yeah? Okay, people building, man. You know. Wow. It's so hot. Felicitas no idea on these videos. You know. Wow. Super green. I see a nice house within here. Yeah. See that house? So beautiful. So beautiful. Right there. Yeah, at least some people have a place where they're calling home. Okay. For those who people ask where is Felicitas, just over here. Yeah, vibing together, guys. You know. Super amazing. Wow. Also, there's a hostel right now here. It's known as Sakdiva. Construction everywhere. I'm telling you. See a nice gate, man. Okay. This is an ambulance, so we're supposed to be very careful, very vigilant. Right, this is an ambulance. Right. That's cassava. Hey, tells you here people are farmers, guys. You know, farming is our backbone. Felicitas, you want to become a farmer? Why? Tells people why. Because me,
because my man is a farmer, my parents are the farmer.
Okay.
So me, I don't want to be a farmer like them.
You want to inherit it?
No, but I can go to the shamba, I can plant my maize or my cassavas, but I don't want to be a farmer.
Yeah, at least maybe you want to practice yourself.
Yeah, but
like to have a small kitchen garden here and there, you know.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, I see a nice plan for the house, but my camera didn't zoom, guys. You see right there? I see by my own eyes. Double cabin, man. Wow. We're heading this way, guys, and I'm just sharing with you this story from East Africa, Kenya, to precise, the Bhanse village to the world, you know. Okay. Let's move. Wow, that's my bike right there. Guys, we thank Almighty God for the gift of life. To see an amazing day like this, man, it's by God's grace, you know. It tells, oh, that's bumps ahead. It tells you ahead of us we have a huge bumps. But I'm gonna show you that bumps, including that one. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show the huge bumps, you know. Oh, that's a small. You see that one here? Right here. That's a bump. Yeah, that's a school right now. People done deforestation on our side. Crazy thing. Let's move. Wow. Guys, for sure, we fully outside like that. You know, it's a kind of hot day. Maybe you didn't see us clear, but I followed the vibe to the end. Oh, that's my tattoo. Okay. Let's move. Yeah, also there's a church here. It tells you people are Christian on this side here. No, we recommend on that. The KK from other side right here. Okay, going that way. Man, imagine that is another church here. Man, right here, there's a church. Right there. What a blessed place on this side here. Okay. Moving with our bike. No, on this side is a small center. Okay, okay. Let's go home. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And guys, you really show us some love since day one, and we appreciate, guys. You know, I wish you all the best. May God give you longer life, guys. People are washing lorries on this small dump here, right there. You know, there's another huge forest there here. Yeah. Look, huge forest, huge, very huge. Okay. Hey. Wow. Super green. Look. What the hell? We are going home. Yes. Alright, guys. Alright, man. Yeah. Through you guys, I have my bike, and it's my God grace, man. I can't take for granted, but guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Okay, guys, and for those who people ask, the baby, you know, like, I miss you vibing with Felistas, guys. Today on these videos, oh, sorry for the noise, it's a live with Felistas. Please, guys, subscribe to her channel, take her to 1,000. So right now, guys, she was remaining with 8 subscribers. Wow, that's shuttle. 8 subscribers to hit 1,000, guys. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys, because you've done a lot for him, and more amazing stuff are coming. Wow, so she was coming from other side. Wow, guys. Hey, whoa, that's Rory. So make sure, guys, you leave the sweet comments and all the way positive vibe. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and also, guys, like. That's the best way we can make Hello Baby official to grow and make some changes here and there. Did you find the guavas? Why?
I think it is over.
It's over? Yeah. I think these regions, it has a lot of guavas here.
No, it's almost ended. So
it's ended?
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
Guys, find the
small one. Guys, but for me, I'm not a fan of guavas, you know. I have artificial teeth, so I don't want to eat hard food. All right, so let's keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
Guys, subscribe to her channel. Make her to smile, you know. The way you make your baby to smile, please make her to smile. And
to 1,000 subscribers.
yes, right now you're remaining with how many subscribers?
80 subscribers.
80.
Yeah.
Guys, 80. Imagine, guys, since day one, since 0 subscriber up to there, guys.
Yeah,
you
right
done.
Now I have 920.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, you done a lot of job to her, but I keep showing her some love, guys. You know, we want to move together. You know. But I wonder, most of the people pass here and then when we are filming the video on the road, they wonder what we are doing. What's up?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, more amazing videos coming, and I don't want to film too much on the road. So when I reach at home, guys, I say goodbye, Felicitas. I go back home and end my video. Right. So let's do this, guys. Okay, guys, right now I'm back at home, but I'm heading to Nyabuhanse to buy some tomatoes for the lunch, guys, you know. So technically, guys, after Nyabuhanse, I want to take you around, going that way, showing you how my village looks like, how people plant maize, sweet potatoes, you know, banana. I'm gonna show you that, guys. So even I haven't gone inside, so it's raining. The rain of cat and dog here. You know, since I left at home, things are not like the way it is. But look, it tells you after a few minutes the rain stopped. So guys, I wanna go. This is I'm calling home. So I'm rushing from here, going to Nyabuhanse, buying tomatoes, you know, for adding flavor. Wow. So maybe you'll find me at Nyabuhanse. So I don't want to vlog because the road right now it's muddy, slippery here and there. So you'll see me in the market, guys. Guys, we need tomato, this cabbage, kales, have orange. Mama, is it kuba kuba? Oh no, okay, ma'am. Nirengi mwikumi. Akene mama, way. We need this bigger. Pana ni hana chitahu chinen.
Chinen boni chiachino ni chingi. Tuliche mia.
Tumesema ina msi.
Eh, sasa niongeze mia.
Mama niongeze, guys, that's $1. Tia mama ro. Mama
acha kuingiza sasa hadi ne ngwana ore ko buri.
Moko. Sikoma hele tu kama hivi. When I'm corona. Guys, this is for $half, 50 shillings. Maybe it's cheaper or expensive. Mama. Actually, mama. Gano tan isano. Nenda tu, anunguchu hitu.
Tante guru.
Hapana kile tu mama, tu kimkembi mwiko watoe mama mwana tiangu tu nyanya.
Mungu mwache ni chibari ile nto.
Tuma. Ne manuchi bado lakini.
Yogi kuna.
Mama taria ba kikate kwanza nkorto mama.
Ya ngora.
Igo. Tarusi tora kikara kabisa.
Mungu mwache akakikata.
Mama makangosero kiharude. Mimi nyanya kuya haru.
Ununa sombure ta.
Nengo mukoro ni mama. Hey go. I'm seeing it. Guys, that's 50. Tana koini kani ako tembo. Kani changero robi no mokora.
Robike.
Robora ga garambe ko poko isibitari nini chimbira sasa. Guys, we made home. Alright guys, I'm back home with tomatoes. I think this 50 Kenyan shillings. One bob goes to 10 shillings. That's coin. So I think this one is around even not a half, it's almost $half. So I wanna give to my mama. Mom! My African mom, she was inside. Guys, these are, oh man, these are my batty gates. But I get a coat on school. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
So tomatoes is here.
Eh.
Okay guys. It's hot here, and I want to see my dog. What's happened? Wow. Okay, maybe you need to go outside. Hey, yeah, to kire. Okay, stop it. You want to go outside? I know, because I was not around. No, Bruno. No, Bruno. No, Bruno. Okay, go. No. Hey. So, oh my God. Okay. Yes, go. Play out. Pray there. Yeah. You know, sometimes the dog needs to play around. Hey. No. You good? You good? Bruno. I love my dog, man. Oh, you have white teeth? No. They want to bite me. You know, I didn't trust animals, bro. You know. Hey. You know, it's jumping right, left, center, you know. So guys, right now I'm just back at home, and I'm gonna take you around to see how things go here and there, you know. So we fully outside in the morning for some couple of minutes, and then we back home, and then I'm just over here vibing together. So that's why I'm calling home, you know. I know most of the people knows where I came from, but it's good to know where I came from, guys, you know. Okay, guys, I want to give you a quick tour to the other side because it's long. So when I'm heading this way, I love to see that sunflower, bro. Yeah, like it attracts my eyes, man. Even on my camera. I don't know about you. That's my dog running right, left, center, you know. Yeah, guys, when I'm around, I left my dog to walk, you know. But most people said, like, I think one or two people said, hello baby, why do you tie your dog too long? I'm telling you, I came from, when they find a dog like this, they will give poison, and then my dog will be die. So that's most of the time I tied my dog, and then to protect my dog, man. I don't want to cry, oh, my dog died and here I'm there, because to avoid those scandals. But when I'm around at home, man, I resist my dog because I'm around, and then my dog will be around with me. Bruno, come on. Yeah, I'm just walking with my dog right here, and it's going so quick. It's because I protect and I give the food in good time, you know. That's Bruno. Guys, I love these sunflowers here. It shows me good vibe, good view. Yep. So sunflower, it produces some seeds which you take them to the, I think, the machine. Like first you dry those seeds from sunflower, and then you take it, you done all process, and then you have cooking oil. I'm telling you guys, like, oh, you can see bees right there taking some like nectar feeding, you know. This one is almost ready. You know, when it's bent like this, it means you have seeds inside, and then it will dry up. When it's dry, also the leaves dry, this stuck dry and everything. So, and then from that we dry them, and then we remove the outer core. So we grind that, you know, making cooking oil. The cooking oil that we're taking around here, it came direct from the sunflower, you know. But I didn't understand some places where they plant sunflower, purely farmers, you know, planting sunflowers. But if I make one day research, I could get it and then I'll show you. Oh, going this way, the light is not enough. Wow. When I'm in Migori, guys, there is no rain. When I came back to my village, man, it's totally rain. Even I asked my mama, how long the rain have been raining here? Because when I left home, there's no rain, you know. But it really shocked me. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, the climate could be challengeable, maybe raining, sunny, you know, things like that. Wow. I love this forest a lot because it's cool, you know, but we had some insects like doing, like singing, like insect you heard. Let's talk, Bruno. Wow. So guys, make sure you leave a sweet comment on the comment section and all the way positive vibe. So guys, show some love. I'm trying to help Felicitas as I can, and I want to see her succeed, guys. You know, that's the one among us of the people that I'm helping the way I have been helped. So let me help each other, and then maybe today or tomorrow she wanna help another person. That's the best way we improve as brothers and sisters, as friends, you know. Wow. May I feel good when I see her succeed for my entire life. I'm telling you guys, I want to see her succeed and then enjoying the life, you know. I don't want to eat a huge like a lot of food alone. Let me eat with others, guys, you know. Maybe today I help her, one day they will remember, oh, Hello Baby helped me on this side, let me help another people on this side. So we keep pushing the milestones, you know, 100 or 1,000 of the milestones. We want to push it together, and then this journey, it's long, you know. YouTube is a game changer. Today you win, tomorrow you lose, you know, just vice versa. Like for me, every day, man, I'm grinding so hard, you know. I'm missing going this side. Let me see, when I go that way, you could able to see me, guys. Not yet. I think this side it's better. Oh guys, I think to pass this side here going to Nyamuhanzi is a shortcut, and I can't remember last time when I passed it in here shooting the videos. It's a time when I didn't have the GoPro. I was using the phone, you know, heading to Nyamuhanzi. But nowadays things have been changing here and there. Wow, guys, it's a calm place. You wanna chill here, and the good thing about in our village, you wanna come to people's forest like this. You chill, you know, you have a cold drink, you chill, you know, you have like you do your own things inside here. Guys, sorry, no one will chase you. So guys, I think I could end my video here because I don't want to go far away from my village. Right now my mama, she was preparing the food, so I want to be around. And then, like on my yesterday videos, I learned how my mama cooked chapati. You know, most of the time I was not around, you know. When I came back, I found my mama already cooked chapati, and then it tastes so sweet. I said, you know what, today I'm gonna sit and see some procedure, you know. So, but I learned something, and I hope you guys also learning something, guys, through there. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So on today's videos, I'll end here. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. But guys, for my last word, my God bless you, all my fans who supporting me by watching my videos. Like, comment, share, and for those who supporting me in a financial way, my God bless you guys. Without you, I could maybe sit outside here, you know, hard life, you know. And you know, life without money, you could struggle here and there. And struggling is not bad, but you struggle in a good way. And then if you want to succeed for making something, even today you must pass challenges here and there. And I know outside here challenges is a lot, you know. Like as a human being, you want to pass challenges here and there before you succeed. You know, you can't like wake up a day like this and then you find everything on the ground, you know. No. You want to struggle. You want to put like your struggle every day. Like the way I'm putting videos, you know, struggling, going to Migori, going to Kisumu City, Nairobi, you know, going to border town. But I think this month, guys, be with me. I want to take you to Nairobi or Mombasa because that's my big aim. And then I'll go there, I settle like 2-3 days, and then I come back, you know. I chill and then prepare my mom's dream house. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video. So I think that's my last word. So may God bless you all, guys. Bye.